Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 692, top k frequent words. So we're given an array of strings, words, and an integer k. We need to return the k most frequent strings. And we want to return the answer sorted by the frequency from highest to lowest, and sort the words with the same frequency by their lexicographical order. So we take a look at example 1, right? We're given this long array of strings and the integer k of 2, and they give us an output of I and love as the answer, right? I and love are the two most frequent words, and I comes before love in alphabetical order, right? So how are we going to solve this? Well, we can use bucket sort to solve this, and it will answer the follow-up question as well. So to use bucket sort, we are going to need a some type of counter, right? So we will say from collections import counter. Now the first thing we're going to do is get all the counts of the words that occur in our string. We can do that by saying counts is equal to counter of words. Now we need to set up our buckets. We need buckets ranging from 0 all the way to the length of our words array. So we will say buckets is going to be equal to an empty array. Inside this empty array, we're going to have another empty array which will represent a bucket. And we're going to do this for I in range length of words plus 1. Okay, now we need to take all of the words from our count dictionary, and we need to place it in the bucket that represents that frequency of that word. So for example, if I occurs twice, it's going to go into the third bucket, because the first bucket is going to represent all the words that occur 0 times. The second bucket will represent the words that occur 1 time, and so on and so forth. So to do that, we need a for loop. We need to say for count and word in counts.items. What are we going to do? Well, we are going to say buckets of the count is going to be equal, or dot append. We want to append the word. So let's print out our buckets array so we can see what we're dealing with. I've got this backwards. This should be word and then count. So word, count.